It would be totally remiss of the Maverick not to extend congratulations to the 2025 Royal Navy Jamaica Premier League champions, Cavalier Football Club, especially Technical Director Rudolph Speed and his coaching staff, for outfoxing, out-strategizing, and outsmarting the powerful, cash-rich, talent-loaded, runaway points leaders Mount Pleasant Academy. This was a coaching clinic in keeping Cavalier defensively compact, as Mount Pleasant coach Tapper Whitmore and his staff seemed indecisive and timid despite the abundance of talent at their disposal, as Speed and his youngsters took them to and beat them on penalties for the second season running. Now you all realize though that Coach Tapper Whitmore defined the season.
It's like a lady pregnant for 9 months. So we at Mount Pleasant now, we're waiting on the delivery date. And the delivery date is May 23rd.
Well, Tapper, the baby born Friday night. But guess what? Coach Whitmore, you are not the father.